हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा भाई। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम। बोलो 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 बंधु, मैं रिंग विद आलतू, मैं रिंग विद फालतू, मैं रिंग विद पैम्पा।
Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's Good Morning
Bay.
Here is a bright and light wellness tip.
To feel bright and light when you wake up in the morning, start your day off with a glass of warm water as opposed to your coffee or chai. Hi, I'm Prajwala from Bright and Light Wellness.
That was Wellness Coach Prajwala. To learn more about how Bright and Light Wellness can help you reach your health goals, visit brightandlightwellness.com or call 408-982-7725. That's 408-982-7725.
Hi, this is Akshay Kumar and you are listening to me on Radio D Hotties with Altu Baba and Paltu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bam bam. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadeen.
Assalamualaikum.
Sat Shri Akal.
మీకందరికీ వందనములు.
Jai Swami Narayan.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
Jai Janendra.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे याली मदद.
एंड मौलाली मतलब बोलते हुए सारे फीजी अमन को बोलेंगे ईसा मुला बनजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं से फालतू बाबा.
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's going to make it totally wonderful and totally mastani bandu jane.
So that Bandujan, and of course, Aj, of course, is a we got a very sad news last night. And this morning also we actually talked about it. We talked about the fact that today is going to be, Pam Pam Show is going to be a tribute show for one of the actors of Indian cinema who actually a very short time, or duration I should say, very young age actually has gained a lot of fan following, not only in India but around the world. With this performance, I'm talking about Irfan Khan Sahab, who actually passed on, the late Irfan Khan Sahab, who passed on last night. We got the news.
Right.
And he succumbed to his health condition at the age of 53 or 54, if I'm not mistaken.
Right.
So today we're doing a tribute show for him, Manjan. So when you say tribute show, you may wonder, what is tribute show? What are you going to do with tribute show?
Right.
Well, Manjan, we're going to let's first talk about the fact that, he was one of the actors who came in, who got his, I would say, his break at a very later age.
Well, his first role was, he struggled a lot for 2 decades almost, right?
Yeah.
1987 से लेके 2001 तक उनको कुछ, मतलब he was doing all these little chutku putku kind of roles, and then eventually, in the time that he finally made it, which was somewhere after the millennium, at the turn of the millennium, he kind of. I think he made such a big impact, not only in Bollywood but also in Hollywood, because everybody, you're not going to believe it, Altu Baba. I saw this tweet that Tom Hanks sent out.
Okay.
Apparently, Tom Hanks, okay, can you imagine? He says, he went up to Irfan Khan and he said, it seems, as soon as I walked up to him, I said, Irfan Khan, I'm going to steal from you everything I possibly can. This is Tom Hanks telling him this.
Okay.
Okay. The Tom Hanks.
Yeah.
I'm going to start speaking very quietly in films. I'm going to wear very nice suits. And I will draw out the last sound of every sentence that I say. And by doing that, I will be doing a very pale imitation of the coolest guy in the room.
What an observation, I tell you. What an observation.
Yeah.
Exactly the way it was. He put it total, in words that way. And the subtlety in which Irfan Khan Sahib is to act,
Yeah.
that's exactly what has been showcased over here. That's true. Yeah.
Right. And this is Tom Hanks. I mean, he's one of, for me, I love Tom Hanks. I mean, he's one of the most, versatile actors that has ever graced the silver screen, I would say. And for him to be paying this kind of, a compliment to Irfan Khan, that's, and this was before he passed away. And, so it's a huge deal. And today, although it's a somber note, Banajan, generally they say people live on in our thoughts and in our memories and we keep them alive, right, Altu Baba? So today we're going to play some songs. I mean, there's not a lot of songs that are picturized on him because the kind of movies that he made, right, were not necessarily the movies which had the song and dance jig in it.
True.
Not all of his movies. Some of the movies, there are songs in the movies, but they're not necessarily picturized on him. Some really good songs, great movies, and to just think about, the kind of subtle acting that he has done throughout, like from playing the role of a quiet loser type husband and employee to one who is a father who goes all the way. Goes out of the way, goes to the extent of robbing and cheating and doing all those kinds of things to become to send his daughter.
We don't want to give away too much about the movie, Banajan, but
Yeah.
what she's trying to say, I totally get it, Fatwani. That exactly, something which is interesting about his style of acting. And we would suggest one thing, Banajan. Now, what do we share with you guys today? Is something which we know a little bit about, or we have experienced, or we have seen with this performance and everything. So, if you want to chime in today, it's open. Lines are open for you guys to call in. Please do call in and share with us what you think, what your 2 cents about him, or if you have something to talk about. Something you want to share about Irfan Khan Saab, what you like about him, do give us a call today. We would be happy to, take your calls right now. Number to call here is 408-912-2479. If you want to share with us any of the movements of his, what do you call that? The quirky roles which he's done, the dialogue which really touched you, do give us a call. And we'll be happy to share with you guys on air for sure. Again, number to call here, 408-912-2479. So, Faltani, I think you brought in a very good thing. So, let us, generally what people do when do tribute shows, we ask ourselves, we start from the day first.
Oh.
The way it began, right?
All right.
But what we do is we should go backwards a little bit. Because I think the most significant, things he's done has been the recent past itself.
Right.
Maybe his public appearances, which he did after he got diagnosed in, I think last year or 2018, was it?
Right.
Was it 2018 he got diagnosed?
He got diagnosed in 2018.
2018, he was diagnosed with something like a brain tumor. Well, of course, he did go for treatment for that and everything. And if people who have
Not brain, it was a neuroendocrine tumor.
Neuroendocrine tumor, and that's what the thing was. And I think he did go for treatment to UK, something like that. So, but he did come back to India.
Yeah.
Is what they say. But during that period of time, his recovery time, his fans really were praying for him.
Yeah.
And in fact, this morning we shared a wonderful clip. I think we should start with that clip if you can.
Yes.
He does a wonderful clip. He did a clip for a promotion of a movie which he acted in, and we went and saw. And very recent work of his release. I don't know if there's any other work which he had done, but a full completed movie of his which we totally loved. Me and Faltoni went to the movie theaters just before Shelter in Place, Banajan. This particular recording actually is something which is he did a promo video for that particular movie.
Yeah.
And that movie is Angrezi Medium. He talks about it and also talks about his challenges. And I think he kind of foresaw what is happening with his life.
right.
There was uncertainty in his life, and the good thing about him is he always has been open and frank about the uncertainty in life.
Right.
Which is pretty much, I think, it's very nice and a very poignant message he has sent out. So I think we start with that. What do you think, Fatwani?
Absolutely. We'll definitely do that, Bandajan. And we also have another clip, which is not in his voice, but it's actually something that was transcribed and somebody else has recorded it. But then it's got all the, something that he wrote. When he was confronted and he was battling cancer throughout that period. So he wrote this particular where he says, I have completely surrendered. It's a beautiful, it's a long clip. We will play that for you today as well. But this is one thing that we want to start with where, he himself sends a message. He says, nothing is certain except uncertainty.
Yeah.
He sends that message and he says, be kind to each other. And, I don't know if I'm with you or I'm not.
Yeah.
So it's a beautiful clip. It's almost reverberating and resonating today with the fact that he's not around just a month after his wonderful movie hit the movie theater. So here you go, Suniega. And we will come back to you right after this.
मैं आज आपके साथ हूँ भी और नहीं भी। खैर, ये फिल्म अंग्रेजी मीडियम मेरे लिए बहुत खास है। सच यकीन मानिए मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश थी कि इस फिल्म को उतने ही प्यार से प्रमोट करूं जितने प्यार से हम लोगों ने बनाया है। लेकिन मेरे शरीर के अंदर कुछ अनवांटेड मेहमान बैठे हुए हैं, उनसे वार्तालाप चल रहा है। देखते हैं किस करवट उठ बैठता है। जैसा भी होगा आपको इत्तला कर दी जाएगी। कहावत है, when life gives you lemon, you make a lemonade। बोलने में अच्छा लगता है, पर सच में जब जिंदगी आपके हाथ में नींबू थमाती है ना, तो शिकंजी बनाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। लेकिन आपके पास और चॉइस भी क्या है पॉजिटिव रहने के अलावा? इन हालात में नींबू की शिकंजी बना पाते हैं कि नहीं बना पाते हैं, ये आप पर है। और हम सब ने इस फिल्म को उसी पॉजिटिविटी के साथ बनाया है। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये फिल्म आपको सिखाएगी, हंसाएगी, रुलाएगी, फिर हंसाएगी शायद। Enjoy the trailer and be kind to each other and watch the film. And yes, wait for me.
And this was for this movie. In fact, let me be honest about it. I didn't see the movie because after I heard this thing. I'm hearing this particular promo trailer only after his demise.
Yeah.
So I've never heard this particular promo for the movie. And I did not go. I saw the movie because it was just having him in the movie, and I saw the trailers of the movie. That's it.
Yeah.
I said I gotta go watch the movie because it's an interesting movie. Now I would definitely urge you guys to go watch it. It has not come on any kind of streaming services as yet, so probably they'll release it back in theaters. It's a good movie, great message. It's a very intelligent kind of movie. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to play a couple of songs from the movie for sure. Now, you can call in here and you can play a tribute to Irfan Khan Saab, say a prayer if you wanted. May his soul rest in peace. He is survived by, I think, 2 children, 2 kids.
Yeah. Babil and Ayan are his kids, and of course his wife Sutapa.
So, in fact, they had a tough time, as what we have also heard, read about things in media. We have not talked much about his ailment as well. Only thing, when he got the news, we did send a prayer out to him and his family. But of course, right now, it's time for you guys to give in a call here, 408-912-2479. Lot of things happening on Facebook. I see many people actually pouring out their feelings on Facebook, paying tribute to him by posting his photographs and saying a few words. You're welcome to call in on today's show and actually do that because today is a tribute show for Irfan Khan Saab. So, Faltwani, do we have a song from one of his movies, recent movies?
Yes, I have a song from the movie Angrezi Medium, and there is a song called Ek Zindagi. It's a beautiful song, Manajan, and if you would like to, if you haven't watched it, apparently it's right now on one of the OTT platforms, right? Like, I think I don't want to advertise that platform unnecessarily on the air, but it is one of those streaming services. If you subscribe to it, then you can actually get to watch this particular movie. Do not miss it. It's, I think, one of his best performances ever. I mean, there is no mediocre or any such sort of a thing performance of Irfan Khan Saab, because every role that he played, he kind of sort of lived that role. Whether it was we'll talk about those movies. This was, by the way, not called English Medium. It was called Angrezi Medium. So सुनिएगा, enjoy कीजिएगा ये गाना from the movie अंग्रेजी मीडियम, गाना called एक जिंदगी. Alto Baba, music. Okay.
मैं तो बादलों से टूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी। कि जिंदगी
And the reason I played you the song, Munijan, is because the whole song is, although it's sung by a female, and it is also supposed to be the song about, which is sung by the heart of the girl. This movie is all about how far a father will go to fulfill his daughter's dreams.
True.
The entire song is picturized. It shows so beautifully, right, from how he, how he raises her as a single father to, eventually all the angst and all the turmoil and everything that he goes through. And when he comes to the realization that, he says, that dialogue is beautiful. If you get that clip, we should play that for, where he says, na, ungli छोड़ना पड़ता है गले लगाने के लिए. That's such a beautiful dialogue. I mean, it hits the spot right there, and it's an amazing how you got to let go at one particular point in time. And बहुत ही खूबसूरती से निभाया है उन्होंने इस मूवी में जो कैरेक्टर उन्होंने प्ले किया है. Amazing. He totally lives the role, Banujan, in this particular movie. If you haven't watched it, heck yes, we are promoting it right now. Nobody's paying us to promote it, but we definitely think this is one movie that you definitely ought to watch. It's an amazing movie of Irfan Khan साहब. वैसे अगर आप अभी tune in हो रहे हैं, हम आपको बता दें कि we are doing a tribute show right here on the Pam Pam show for this wonderful actor and a magnificent actor, Banujan, who not only made his mark in Indian cinema but also in Hollywood. And I think even across the world. And he actually, Slumdog Millionaire movie में भी उन्होंने act किया है. So even in the UK, he is popular. So for those of you who would like to pay tribute to him, you can call in on the air 408-912-2479. हमें call करके बताइएगा आपका favorite role कौन सा था उनका, या कुछ भी बोलना चाहते हैं to pay tribute to him. You can call in 408-912-2479. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम शो में. ट्रिब्यूट टू इरफान खान साहब. up. Who's this?
Pam, this is Anna.
Anna ji, कैसे हैं आप?
हाँ हम तो बहुत अच्छे हैं लेकिन today is the saddest day
Yeah.
for film industry. We lost such a wonderful actor. He's one of the best, and oh my goodness, my heart is still kind of, it's hard to believe that he's no more.
True.
True.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, and I mean his acting, I've seen his few movies, not all of them, but all the movies are, oh my goodness, top class. Super hit, and he was an actor. It's so hard to say was. I can't say was. He's still in our heart. Maybe ऐसा लगता है कि he's still there. But his acting was, I would say, like he used to speak with his eyes also, right?
Yeah.
Mostly his eyes, his actions, his hands. It's a very sad day, and I really pray to God that his soul rest in peace, and God gives strength to his family to bear this loss.
Correct. Very true.
So, very sad.
Thank you so much for calling in today and sharing this with us. I also want to ask you, आपको कोई ऐसा कोई role या कुछ film याद है आपको जो आपके it stuck with you all through the
Yeah, Slumdog I've seen, then The Pie.
Life of Pi, yeah, okay.
And then there's Piku, which was very nice, good movie.
That's
kind of
true.
hilarious.
Yeah, Piku
all
was
those
very
things,
good.
yes. So,
In fact, very good. So आपने तो एक पूछा आपने दो तीन चार बोल दिया. That's exactly what everybody feels, I suppose. You can't. It's very difficult to pick one particular role of his, which is really.
yeah, it's hard. It's hard to
It's
pick one
hard.
because, yeah.
Yes, and in fact, I don't know. People have talked about it, but wasn't he the one in the movie Billu Barber?
Uh-huh.
शाहरुख खान का फिल्म था बिल्लू बार्बर में एक he was the बिल्लू बार्बर, right, in that actually. In fact, I honestly.
Oh, that's right. That was yeah.
So unfortunately my knowledge about industry is very limited, but still I came to know about his presence only through the movie Billu Barber actually.
Oh wow.
I'm sorry, I didn't know much about the ones. I had not paid attention to him with some Slumdog Millionaire. I had not paid much attention to any of the other movies. He was very undercurrent there, right? He was there, but he was a good actor. I'm not saying no, but recognition-wise, if you look at it, I think Billu Barber was one which brought him into the screen. I noticed his acting part of it, but he did an excellent job in the movie Billu Barber.
Right, absolutely.
Because the Billu Barber actually was a copy of a Tamil film.
Yeah.
And I was wondering, like, who can actually do an equal justice to it? And this guy excelled. Shah Rukh Khan, I'm sorry, he overshadowed Shah Rukh Khan in Billu Barber actually.
Yeah, because of the role, and also the way he plays every character, right, is so subtle. Yeah, बहुत अच्छा.
But एक very interesting बात उनकी ये थी कि he wanted to become an actor, or like he wanted to work in films, right? So उनको लगता था कि I'm not very handsome, I don't have those looks, like a hero-like looks. So then he saw, I think he got impressed by Naseeruddin Shah ji.
Probably, yes.
Yeah, Naseeruddin Shah and Om Puri. किसी ने कहा, उसने कहा कि अगर ये लोग कर सकते हैं, ये लोग एक्टर बन सकते हैं, अगर अच्छी फिल्म कैसे, तो why can't मैं भी थोड़ा इनसे तो अच्छा ही हूँ. I don't know.
Very true.
It's hard.
Yeah, हुनर पे होना चाहिए, not in terms of looks. Yeah, it should be on your talent. You must work.
Right.
Very true. Very true. And thank you so much, Anna-ji, for sharing this with us. Yes, but if you also want to do it, call in here for sure. And ऐसा कोई, I'm sure आपने जो भी नाम films के नाम लिया, Anna-ji, don't have many songs I can think of. Life of Pi, oh yeah. But we do have some songs of his which actually are pretty interesting. So Falturi has a list of songs she's going to play.
Sure.
But thank you so much for calling in
Okay,
today.
thank you, Osiji. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, you too. And of course, Manijan, some of you are posting. In fact, Madhu Walia ji is saying on Facebook, Altu Baba, she's saying, can you play a dedication song from me to him? And she says the song that she wants to play is Sun Raha Hai Na Tu, Ro Rahi Hu Main type. That song she wants to dedicate to Irfan Khan Saab's jo Ruh kehte hain, to him apparently. So do you, are we doing though, do you want to play that?
Hey, our show is always dynamic. If people call in and say something, we'll do it for them for
Madhu
sure.
ji, call करिएगा 4089122479 and we would love to hear what you have to say for him. In the morning we received a request from one of our bandhus who said, was it Firoza, who said that she wanted a song from the movie, one movie called Kareeb Kareeb Single.
Oh yes, Kareeb Kareeb Single. अगर बन्नूजान आपने उस फिल्म को देखा है तो it's already on one of those streaming services.
Yeah.
Good movie.
Very well made movie.
And you will feel like, you know, it's when I say well made, good movie, I'm talking about, you know, sometimes these artsy movies don't have the grip on you.
Yeah.
And in this case, his characterization is so awesome.
Yeah.
You actually feel like watching more and understanding, oh, okay, what's he going to do next?
Yeah, exactly. And it's not a artsy kind of movie. I mean, you know, you kind of, although the way they've, the characterization and the portrayal of the heroine, it's more a female-oriented movie where they're talking about her life, right? And you kind of are almost pushed towards feeling sorry for her and then thinking this guy is some kind of a lout. You know what I mean? But the way he plays the role, you end up, and I would say, yeah, it's also in the way the portrayal and also the characterization is such that you end up feeling sorry for his character. And you should watch this movie. He is sort of like a guy who is a sort of a playboy of sorts, who's had several hookups or whatever, right? And it's
Casanova types.
Yeah, so
a desi Casanova, truly desi Casanova.
And to think that somebody who, you know, who plays that kind of a role and plays a very serious police inspector in the movie Slumdog Millionaire, and then in this movie he completely like has a very kya kehte hain, he's got a flair of a little bit of a road Romeo. Meets a Casanova, meets a guy who's genuinely trying to find true love.
So he's done the role of a road Romeo kind of thing to the multi-millionaire jumping out of, you know, a helicopter and everything. I'm talking about the Hollywood movie Jurassic Park, but we talked about as of now. But anyways, here you go. This is the song we're going to play for you guys. I think Morning Gone of Bandhus actually requested for us, so here you go. We're playing this song.
Are we playing something from Kareeb Kareeb Single?
Sure, we'll do that. And of course, if you want us to play any specific songs, do give us a call here. We'll do it for you guys. And Madhuji, yes, for you also. Please do give us a call, and thank you for the wonderful message you shared about Irfan Khan Sahib. We'll definitely will be able to oblige, provided you give us a call here and say something on air, Madhuji. Again, 4089122479 408-912-247. You're listening to Radio D Hotties Network's Pam Pam Show, airing live and local on Radio Mirchi, 1310 AM and also 92.9 FM Manajan. We actually live stream on Facebook as well. Go check it out, facebook.com/Radio D Hotties. And we also are on YouTube. Check out Radio D Hotties on YouTube. All our shows actually get archived on those things. You can see us there as well. And also, if you're anywhere traveling and you want to listen to us wherever you go, you can listen to us on our app, which is called Radio D Hotties for free download. Go to the iOS store or the Android store to pick up your app, which is absolutely free as of now, Baljan. Go do it right away. It's called Radio De Hotties.
That's right. So here is a song that our bandhu Firoza ji requested in the morning. This is a song called Jaane De, in the voice of course, Atif Aslam Saab. Vishal Mishra ka music direction hai. Suniyega from the movie Kareeb Kareeb Single. We will be going into a break right after this, Manajan, and we'll be back. It's a top of the hour break. We'll be back right after this song with more on the tribute show right here on Pam Pam to the late Irfan Khan.
वो जो था ख्वाब सा क्या कहे जाने दे ये जो है कम से कम ये रहे के जाने दे वो जो
Well, there are bandhus who are calling to pay tribute. Let's go on and welcome them. Hello, namaste. Welcome to the Pam Pam Show. Who's this?
Hello?
Hi.
This is Madhu.
Hi, Madhuji.
Hello, Madhu. This is Madhu from San. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can, and thank you so much. I got your message. So you're actually calling to say you want to dedicate a song for them, right?
Yeah. मैंने ना रात को सोने से पहले 12 बजे Facebook देखा. सोने से पहले देखती हूँ. Then I saw this news.
Okay.
Then मेरे को ऐसे लगा कि ये बिल्कुल गलत न्यूज किसी ने डाल दिया. फिर मैं सारा टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया सब सर्च करती रही. तो मेरे को तो इतना दुख हुआ है कि मैं अभी तक उठी नहीं हूँ. So I really miss him. He was a great actor. क्या personality, 6 foot 8 inch height. He was so handsome. Eyes. अभी मैंने उनकी मूवी है देखी क्या अंग्रेजी मीडियम। तो पहले मैंने एक बार देखी, मैंने कहा इस बटे, फिर उस मूवी मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगी कि मैं उसको आई सॉ दिस मूवी संडे मंडे एवरी टाइम आई सीइंग एंड आई वाज प्रेजिंग कि कितना अच्छी एक्टिंग की है इरफान जी ने। he acted like a father and this movie was a great teaching के बाप अपनी बेटी अपनी औलाद के लिए कितना स्ट्रगल कर सकता है उसकी ख्वाहिशों को पूरा करने के लिए। तो इरफान जी की जो एक्टिंग है वो तो नेचुरल है, उसका तो कोई मुकाबला ही नहीं है। आई एम ए ग्रेट फैन ऑफ हिम। और ही इज नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, हॉलीवुड, बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड में भी, यूके में भी, एवरीवेयर। हिज अमेरिकन पाई मूवी वाज वेरी गुड, यू नो। मैं उनके बारे में जो भी कहूँ बहुत कम है। दूसरा इरफान खान नहीं पैदा हो सकता। दैट इज and I can't say I really felt as I lost my own family member, you know.
True.
आप नहीं देख सकते कि मेरी क्या हालत हुई है कल। मैं the whole night I did not sleep, मैं नहीं सो सकी। The whole day I could not even get up from my bed. I'm just did not, you know. That I pray to God, be peaceful to the soul,
Yes.
and he was a great person, you know.
Yes,
और
thank you.
the only thing is the other thing that he was very down to earth. कभी मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ, I was in Bombay, moving in लोखंडवाला. I saw him going there. I didn't say hi. जैसे जो उनका स्माइल था ना, I can never forget. मेरी आंखों के सामने अब भी आता है.
That's true.
You know,
And thank you for sharing this with us, बंधु जी। And आपका रिक्वेस्ट जो है गाना भी बज रहा है बैकग्राउंड में। And thank you for the request.
चलाया, मैं रो रही थी। मैं रात को जब न्यूज़ सुनी ना, then I was crying the whole day, you know.
I know.
I really felt it really hurt me bad.
I understand. Many people feel the same way.
भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे, परिवार को शांति दे,
True.
सबको।
Thank you. And thank you, मधु जी।
देखो सबसे वो हेवन में गए हैं क्योंकि रमजान के दिन हमें Allah has taken him.
True,
So
thank
he
you so
went to
much.
heaven.
Very
So-
true. And Madhu ji, thank you so much for your kind words. And yes, Bhajan, we're going to go on a break right now, but ये गाना enjoy कीजिएगा. And we'll be back right after this.
सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं। सुन रहा है ना, क्यों रो रही हूँ यारा।
ये रख लो पैसे। क्या कर रही है? धर भी आ गया बावड़ट। कौन? पता नहीं, दारू पी के गाड़ी चला रहा था। मरते मरते बची हूँ मैं।
फालतू है साला, मुफ्त में सुन रहा है, मत देख उसको।
वक्त भी ठहरा है, कैसे क्यों ये हुआ। काश तू ऐसे आए, जैसे कोई दुआ। तू रूह की राहत है, तू मेरी इबादत है। अपने करम की करदाई, कर दे इधर भी तो निगाहें। सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं। सुन रहा है ना तू, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं।
Bhajan, this is your darling Faltu Rani, and let me tell you, Bandhajani, that all these beautiful tracks that you're listening to right now are special Dihari picks that we've hand-picked just for you. We'll see you in just a few. Keep listening.
गुमसुम तू भी खामोश है सच है समय का ही सब दोष है धड़कन धड़कन एक गम रहता है वो जाने क्यों फिर भी दिल कहता है जी ले जरा कहता है दिल जी ले जरा है हम सफर है हम नवा आ पास आ जी ले जरा. Hi, this is Vishal. You're listening to me on Radio The Hotties, where entertainment just got hotter.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
Here is a bright and light wellness tip.
To feel bright and light when you wake up in the morning, start your day off with a glass of warm water as opposed to your coffee or chai. Hi, I'm Prajwala from Bright and Light Wellness.
That was Wellness Coach Prajwala. To learn more about how Bright and Light Wellness can help you reach your health goals, visit brightandlightwellness.com or call 408-982-7725. That's 408-982-7725.
Hi, this is Akshay Kumar and you are listening to me on Radio D Hotties with Altu Baba and Paltu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam bam.
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam bam. Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam bam. Bam bam.
Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khush Amadid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sat Shri Akal.
Meegandari ki vandanamu.
Jai Swami Narayan.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जिनेंद्र.
हमारे स्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली मदद.
मोराली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बंधुओं को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बरजन. हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे. myself Altu Baba.
And of course myself Faltu Rani, and today on COVID-19 shelter in place day 43 Banujan, and for some people day 44.
And some people day 42.
Yeah.
We can't count sometimes, right?
You know what? If you're losing track of time,
it's no big deal. It's fine. We lost track of days anyways. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday became like this day, that day, and this other day.
exactly. And
Yeah.
you know what? Time is a man-made construct.
Oh
Banujan.
my God.
Some brilliant man said
Oh
this
my
one time.
God.
And anyway, you know, I got to tell you this, Altu Baba. And we've got to play that clip where there's a reading of his script, right? What he said. What Irfan Khan Saab said. And he said that you really cannot, whether it's 2 days, 2 months, it really doesn't matter. Because you don't know where your life is headed. Because everything, time is very subjective. It depends on how you look at it. You could live a lifetime in one moment.
Yeah, another great person said time we always look at as physics has to be chemistry.
What? That is, oh God, no, we're not talking about that. But in any case, for those of you just
The
joining
founder
us.
of Kailash said that.
Okay. Those of you just joining us, Punjan, we are doing a tribute show for Irfan Khan Saab. We are opening up our phone lines. The Pam Pam show has always been about bandhus and connecting you with what is happening and what is what you have to say. We would love to hear from you. We know that many of our bandhus yesterday, last night, in fact, as soon as I saw the tweet by Shujit Sarkar, I went ahead and I tried to find out, and we had a blog post go up with regard to Irfan Khan Saab's death, unfortunately, because the previous night there was a scare. They said that he had passed away already, but as soon as he got, got admitted to the hospital, the Kokla Ben Hospital in Mumbai, but they lambasted, obviously the PR managers had lambasted saying he is alive, he is being treated, don't, people should not say things that he's passed away, but 24 hours later he was declared, he did succumb to a colon infection, unfortunately, at the age of, 53, 54, who cares? He's gone, right, at the end of the day. And for us, it was, it literally sometimes feels some people leave such a huge impression in your lives, even though you've never met them, you've never seen them. And Mahima ji used to always say this, and that is the extent, the impact of the kind of work they do that shows the life they lived. Through the kind of work that they do, whether it is as an actor, as a singer, as a producer, a filmmaker, it could be anybody, right? The fact that Madhuji called in and was crying and she wanted to dedicate the song saying, Sun raha hai na to ro rahi hu main. It really, kind of drives home the fact that he made such a huge impact on people that he met. So that requires a solid human being as well at the end of the day. In fact, right now we had started to play the song from the movie Kareeb Kareeb Single, jo tha wo, a beautiful song again, but we will open up the lines for you to call in. This particular song is called Jaane De, but we'll play the song right after we take this bandhu on air. Many of you are calling in to share your words of condolences and of course your happy thoughts, your favorite role that he played, something that made you smile about him, what really attracted you to him. Call kariega, because he wasn't one person who had drop dead gorgeous good looks. He didn't play the macho man hero kind of roles that most of us get carried away by. He didn't have songs that you could dinka chika, those kind of earworm songs nahi the unke. So what was it about him that really hooked you? आप कॉल करें 408-912-2479. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के ट्रिब्यूट शो टू इरफान खान साहब. Who's this?
हाँ जी, मैं रंजीत भाटिया बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ रंजीत भाटिया साहब, कैसे हैं?
हाँ जी, ठीक हूँ. बस बड़ी सैड न्यूज़ सुनी है तो बुरा लग रहा है. I'm sorry for them और sorry for their family.
Right.
तो मैंने तो उनके काफी सारी मूवियाँ देखी. अभी रिसेंटली मैंने पिछले हफ्ते देखी थी इंग्लिश मीडियम.
अंग्रेजी मीडियम.
अंग्रेजी मीडियम, यस.
हाँ जी, बहुत बहुत बढ़िया मूवी थी. और इसके अलावा मैंने मदारी, हिंदी मीडियम, पीकू, बिल्लू, ये सारी मूवियाँ देखी मैंने. तो उनकी एक्टिंग इतनी अच्छी थी कि मतलब उनको कई डायलॉग तो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, आंखों से डायलॉग बोलते थे वो.
करेक्ट.
तो बहुत अच्छे एक्टर थे. बहुत अफसोस है उनके बारे में. तो एक अच्छा कलाकार कभी नहीं मरता, अपनी कला से हमेशा जिंदा रहता है. तो सबके दिलों में याद बन के अमर रहता है. तो सॉरी फॉर दैट.
राइट. तो आपने अभी अंग्रेजी मीडियम देखी होगी, तो आई थिंक दैट इज देयर एनी अदर रोल दैट रियली अपील टू यू? आपको क्या ऐसे क्यों वो क्या कहते हैं, उनका अपील क्या था आपके लिए? व्हाट वाज इट अबाउट हिम दैट रियली
वो एक फादर जो है अपने बच्चों का कुछ करने के लिए किस हद तक जा सकता है. मतलब अपनी जी जान सब कुछ लगा देता है उसके लिए.
करेक्ट.
तो पहले बच्चे रियलाइज नहीं करते, लेकिन आखिरी में उनको पता लगता है कि हमारा फादर हमारे लिए क्या कर रहा है.
हाँ.
सही बात है, सही बात है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारा that'll be the last generation doing this also, I would say. Next generation is not going to do it, I guess.
I don't know, we don't know.
Well, let's see what will happen. But thank you so much for sharing this thought with us, Ranjit Saab. And of course, if you have any song which you want to dedicate for him, or this movie which you want to share with us, let us know. We'd be happy to play it for you.
या मेरे को ये अंग्रेजी मीडियम में कुछ गाने थे बैकग्राउंड में, वो काफी अच्छे थे। उनमें से कोई प्ले कर देना।
Definitely.
तो एक गाना है लाडकी करके, बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना है जो सचिन जिगर का है। वो उन पे फिल्माया गया। विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू लाइन दैट सॉन्ग अप। एक गाना तो ऑलरेडी बजा दिया स्टार्टिंग में, जो एक जिंदगी करके। हाँ, तो we'll definitely try to line another song up from the same movie, sir. Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening. Thank you so much. All right.
We have one more caller waiting. Can we go to the please? Hi, welcome to the Pam Pam Show. Who's this? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, welcome. Who's this? Pam Pam.
Hi, Pallavi here.
Hi, Pallavi. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good. I know it's a very somber news, and we're doing a very somber tribute to Irfan Khan Sahab. Any thoughts you want to share about him, or you want to pay some tribute to him right now on air?
बस मुझे यही बोलना है कि we gonna miss you, and जो आपका स्ट्रगल था ये इंडस्ट्री में, एक्चुअली ये बहुत बड़ा था। मतलब आप कब से कब तक आप इंडस्ट्री में रहे हो, आप जितना आप चित्रकला में आते थे, उसके बाद में फिर आप अभी लास्ट उनका जो मूवी था हिंदी मीडियम, एंड उनके जो रोल थे काफी इंस्पायरिंग रोल थे, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो मूवी के जो सीरियल्स में काम किया है वो अदर एक्टर्स और अदर रियल लाइफ के लिए भी बहुत इंस्पायरिंग था। तो मैं बस यही बोलना चाहती हूँ कि उनका जो स्ट्रगल था वो बहुत ही एक प्रिंसिपल है, इंस्पायर।
Inspire karta, of course, yes. Any role which stuck to you, or anything which is because Irfan Khan Sahab, actually, what I like about him is the fact that more than the serious roles, I used to love the comedy he used to bring into his roles. I don't know if you have ever noticed anything which you like to share, or आपने कभी देखा ये, because he was very good at comedy. There's generally say that people who are good at comedy and timing are very good general actors, right?
Right.
No? He was one of the sweeper. In fact, if you can actually see the glimpses of his talent in comedy and timing in this movie, Angrezi Medium. People, if you've not seen the movie, definitely go see it for sure. We're not promoting it because as a business. We're promoting it because it's a good movie to watch. It's got a very good message, and definitely a wonderful performance by Irfan Khan Sahab. I think this would be his last performance, right? Would it be his last performance for everybody to watch? I'm not sure if anything else is still there. Yeah, I don't know if
अंग्रेजी मीडियम एंड उसके पहले जो उनका पार्ट 1 आया था हिंदी मीडियम.
Correct. I think there's no connection between the two of them, but definitely yes. But thank you so much, Pallavi, for sharing this with us. And I do post on Facebook page, of course. There's a prayer going out to his family and to him as well, so that may the soul rest in peace. And thank you for making this tribute show, especially for calling us. Thank you, Pallavi ji.
Thank you so much for calling in. तो Banujan, काफ़ी सारे लोग in fact have been posting, more than 300, 400, 500, 600 people have been posting on our blog post about Irfan Khan Sahab. That's the extent to which he has really made a difference. And yes, this movie was his last movie apparently. You know what, Altu Baba? The Homi Ajania, right, who made this Angrezi medium movie, he actually is totally like he sent a message out, and he actually was saying that he was completely heartbroken, and he wrote this post, and he said right after after he got news that he passed away, he says, "We laughed about you dying." And apparently Irfan Khan kept joking about his uninvited guests, the tumors in his body. And he said, "But I never thought that I'd feel so broken when I heard that what I was expecting to hear for a while now." And he himself said he's considering himself blessed to have walked the last few steps of his life's journey with him. So, he says that he created great memories with Irfan Khan, and they actually became really good friends. And apparently Irfan Khan Sahab, this is what he says, and I'm going to read you Homi Ajania's quote. He says, "You once told me how you had an inexplicable love for your craft, but didn't want stardom anymore. Well, you never needed to be a star, my friend, because you shone brighter than anything in the universe."
Sure.
It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful message, and which he sent out on Instagram. And there's a lovely picture of him hugging Irfan Khan Sahab. It's a very, very you know, and he kind of had this brooding appeal to him, you know, like when you looked at him, you knew that there was something more. Like कुछ लोगों को देख के कुछ नहीं होता है दिमाग में, और लेकिन कुछ लोगों को देख के ऐसे लगता है कि इनके पीछे स्टोरी क्या है भाई, राइट? तो थोड़ा बहुत उनकी लाइफ की स्टोरी के बारे में बात करते हैं. यू नो, मैनी पीपल विल गो, यू कैन गूगल, यू कैन ऑलवेज फाइंड आउट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट हिम. The man was born 1967 में on January 7th at Capricorn. And he basically started out very small in the industry, छोटा छोटा रोल करके. मतलब 1987 में उन्होंने कौन सा मूवी था वो, सलाम बॉम्बे.
He was actually a vendor, street vendor.
Yeah, he played a very chutku role in that particular movie. And but what with this particular person, the main thing that many of us may not know is that his name is not when he was born, he was called Sahibzade Irfan Ali Khan. That was his name, and he changed his name twice. That's right. When you say changed, apparently he felt that he did not like the length of his name. He said बहुत लंबा है, so he made it short and he called it Irfan Khan. Now many people will say numerology के लिए वो double R लगाते हैं and all that. Apparently it wasn't for numerology, लेकिन उनको बस वो R का sound पसंद था, तो Irfan Khan. And then he shortened it further and he said, I don't want any Khan, I don't want anything associated. I just want Irfan. You know, sort of reminds me of this another wonderful great that we personally knew, and she was also like that. She says, why do you want to have all these tags around you? I am Mahima, that's it.
Yeah.
People were like, are you from North India, South India? She said, no, Mahima. Why can't you accept me for the individual name that I am? Right? So that's the way she was. Even Irfan Khan, I felt that there was like a eerie similarity there too. And in terms of did he want to always become an actor? Apparently he had that penchant for becoming an actor, lekin usse pehle he also had something else that he wanted to be. Guess what?
What?
Cricketer.
Wow.
He apparently was really good, and he wanted to become a cricketer, but his parents were not very much for it. In fact, he went to some level, you know, they have different. He was from Rajasthan Tonk district, so wahan pe wo cricket khelte the, aur he was even selected to play in something called a CK Naidu Trophy for emerging players in the under 23 category. And this is supposed to be the stepping stone, right, for first class cricket. So agar अच्छा हुआ वो क्रिकेटिंग में नहीं गए, नहीं तो हम लोगों को ये मौका नहीं मिलता उनके वंडरफुल क्राफ्ट को देखने का, राइट? एंड लाइक होमी अजानिया सेड, बंदुजान, वन ऑफ द थिंग्स अबाउट इरफान खान साहब वाज always, if you notice, it wasn't about becoming a star. Apparently his goal was to entertain. And he would say that I want to touch the lives of people and I want to entertain. Mujhe star war ki, so it really didn't matter to him how big the role was. Was it a supporting role? Was it not a supporting role? Was it a hero role? It really did not matter. Okay, so anyway, we'll talk more about that, Bandujan. लेकिन अगर आप भी यहाँ पे कॉल करके शेयर करना चाहते हैं हमारे साथ आपके जो thoughts हैं इरफान खान साहब के बारे में, या if you want to share your condolences for him on the air, you're more than welcome to give us a call right now. The studio number is 408-912-2479. So the song that got interrupted in the previous hour, सुनते हैं वो गाना जाने दे करके from the movie करीब करीब single.
ख्वाब सा क्या कहे जाने दे, ये जो है कम से कम ये रहे के जाने दे, वो जो था ख्वाब सा क्या कहे जाने दे, ये जो है कम से कम ये रहे के जाने दे, क्यों न रोक कर खुद को एक मशवरा कर ले मगर जाने दे, आदतन तो सोचेंगे होता यूं तो क्या होता मगर जाने दे। जो था ख्वाब सा क्या कहे जाने दे, ये जो है कम से कम ये रहे के जाने दे। बीता जो बीते ना आए क्यों आए यूं आँखों में। हमने तो बेमन भी सोचा ना क्यों आए तुम बातों जो हमसे तुम जाने क्या क्या हम कहते मगर जाने दे। आदतन तो सोचेंगे होता यूं तो क्या होता मगर जाने दे। वो जो था ख्वाब सा क्या कहे जाने दे, ये जो है कम से कम ये रहे के जाने दे। आसा नहीं है मगर जाना नहीं अब उधर। आसा नहीं है मगर जाना नहीं अब उधर। मालूम है जहाँ दर्द है वहीं फिर भी क्यों जाए, वही कश्मकश वही उलझने वही टीस क्यों लाए। बेहतर तो ये होता हम मिले ही ना होते मगर जाने दे। आदतन तो सोचेंगे होता यूं तो क्या होता मगर जाने दे। वो जो था ख्वाब सा क्या कहे जाने दे, ये जो है कम से कम ये रहे के जाने दे।
And that beautiful song with Jan again, विशाल मिश्रा का म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन है, आतिफ असलम साहब ने गाया है, जी म्यूजिक कंपनी का प्रोडक्शन था. It's a beautiful song from the movie करीब करीब single, and it has so many different meanings to it. वो जो था ख्वाब सा, it kind of talks about him, right? क्या कहे क्या करे कि you know, should we let
Everything
it go?
is a passing phase, right?
Yeah.
But we do have callers waiting in line to pay tribute to Irfan Khan Saab on this tribute show on the Pam Pam Show with Jan.
Yeah.
And yes, you can actually catch our show on our Radio D Hotties network, on Radio Mirchi 1310 AM and also on 92.9 FM. And right now, let's go to our Bandhu waiting line. Namaskar, Pam Pam में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who's this?
Pam Pam.
Pam Pam खेड़ा साहब कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ जी. बड़ा sad day है आज. Early morning around 5 o'clock. I got this news through Facebook.
Yeah.
So I couldn't believe it. नीचे एक दो comments में भी लिखा हुआ था it's a fake news. मुझे लगा कि एक बार पहले भी ऐसा हुआ था. I wish कि fake news हो. When I proceeded further, तो पूरा flood आया हुआ था. इनका सारी पोस्ट इनके पास ही थी सारी इनके लिए. तो it's really sad day कि बहुत अच्छे एक actor is no more with us. It's a great loss to the industry. And as well, what I feel about his acting is he has never acted I mean, it seems as if he's casually talking, and effortless acting थी इनकी, effortless. Whatever role, कोई भी character हो, ऐसा लगता था यार ये इनका actual character यही होगा. He might not be doing anything else. यही character होगा इनका.
Yeah,
and whether it is Piku, I really like his acting in Piku. बड़ा cool बंदा, बिंदास वाला जो उनका इनका attitude है, I really love that. And like energy, pretty much she said many things. आंखें बोलती हैं, yes of course. And बात good looking की हो रही थी, ऐसा नहीं है कि he is not a good looking guy, he is. ब्यूटी आपने देखनी है कि ब्यूटी बहुत सारी चीजों में होती है. तो परफेक्ट क्राफ्टेड चीजों कट तुम्हारे वो वाली ब्यूटी नहीं होती है. बट ही वाज अ हैंडसम मैन एंड वेरी प्रेजेंटेबल एंड व्हाटएवर रोल ही एक्टेड, चाहे मदारी हो, चाहे लंच बॉक्स हो, और करीब करीब सिंगल बहुत ही अच्छी मूवी थी. फिर वही एटीट्यूड था उनका बिंदास वाला. I think he's from New Delhi, मेरा ख्याल.
टोंक राजस्थान से थे वो originally. So and of course he was जो acting जब उन्होंने pursue किया तो National School of Drama में गए, and then he's obviously he's
जब ये टीवी सीरियल में आते थे मेरा ख्याल बनेगी अपनी बात या कुछ ऐसा टीवी सीरियल था एक, I forgot the name. So he already proved himself. वो जो उस टाइम का जो सा टीवी था उसमें जब भी इन्होंने आना तो एक there was a fire on the screen, silver screen rather.
Right.
तो तभी इनका था, तभी लोगों ने इनको पसंद कर लिया. इनका एक्टिंग का जो स्टाइल था बिल्कुल टोटली डिफरेंट था. यूजुअली कोई आता है नया न्यू कमर आता है, उसका कहना ये दिलीप कुमार को कॉपी कर रहा है, देवानंद को या राजेश खन्ना साहब को या किसी को. इनका आया कि इनको कहते हैं ये नहीं यार इनका अपना ही स्टाइल है. हाँ जी.
Yeah.
So I forgot the name of the serial. I don't remember.
He acted in quite a few serials. In fact, जब उनकी जो पहली वाली serial थी, he acted in a teleplay, I think. जब वो पहले दूरदर्शन पे, I think he played the role of Lenin in a teleplay called लाल घास पर नीले घोड़े. And it was a translation of the Russian play by Mikhail Shatrov.
एकता कपूर का था वो सीरियल, I remember.
जहाँ पे is that I'm not sure, मैंने नहीं देखा है. एक सीरियल आता था डर करके, डर. And he's also played, he was a main villain in that, it seems.
Okay.
There was a serial, and then there was something called Kehkasha or something like that, where he plays a political activist. And there's quite a few serials. वैसे तो, for those of you who are old enough, apparently he also was in Chanakya. Bharat Ek Khoj. What was his name? Yeah, the Roshan Seth, is it? The one who played the role of Nehru.
Roshan Seth, Nehru, Chacha Nehru, yeah.
हाँ. And then there was something called Sara जहाँ हमारा बनेगी अपनी बात. Chandrakanta.
So he's
बनेगी अपनी बात.
So you see,
बनेगी अपनी बात. Yes.
Yeah.
वही तो मैं आपको बोला था ना, बनेगी अपनी बात. उसकी तो उस सीरियल की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. तो उसमें जो सा था लोगों ने बहुत उनको ज्यादा पसंद करा. जो भी लेटेस्ट मैगजीन्स होती थी, इनका एक आर्टिकल आया करता था उसमें, या न्यूज़पेपर में जो मैगजीन सेक्शन है उसमें था. बनेगी अपनी बात. That's what I said earlier.
Correct. एक और सीरियल जो काफ़ी सारे लोग जब हमने पोस्ट किया था, जो मीडिया महिमा का ब्लॉग था, उस पर काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने कमेंट किया कि चंद्रकांता करके कोई सीरियल. आई हैव नॉट सीन द सीरियल, आई हैवंट सीन हिज परफॉर्मेंस इन दैट unfortunately, but people wrote about that serial and also something called Shrikant. And Anugunj and something called Sparsh.
Wow, quite a lot of things. So basically, so I'm trying to tell you, मेरा जो उनके साथ जो correction हुआ was from the movie. I've never thought of Irfan Khan as a big actor before. I've never known about the fact he was acting in movies or in serials. I know him only from the Billu Barber times.
Billu Barber?
Yes, I think
I would have thought Amazing Spider-Man.
No, Amazing Spider-Man came afterwards, right?
Oh, okay.
Billu Barber के बाद ही तो उनका Hollywood entry हुआ ना.
अच्छा, हाँ.
Anyway, but Khera Sahab, thank you so much for chiming in today. Today's tribute show, and of course on.
मुझे यार इनका मकबूल की ना एक कवाली है, अगर आप वो लगा सकते हो प्लीज.
मकबूल, हाँ जी बोलिए.
कौन सी वाली गाना बताओ?
Do you know the name of the song?
I don't remember. मुझे मालूम है मैं बहुत सुना करता था पहले किसी टाइम में. I really loved his role in मकबूल. फिर एक इनका और कोई मूवी थी, कोई पुलिस वालों के ऊपर थी, तो he played a villain. वो भी बड़ा अच्छी एक्टिंग थी इनकी। खैर चलो, आप मकबूल का कोई भी आप वैसे तो कवाली है, ये मेरा ख्याल अजमेर शरीफ जाते हुए की है शायद कोई
जो इज इट अ सॉन्ग कॉल्ड तू मेरी रूबरू है?
Yes, तू मेरी रूबरू। हाँ जी,
Okay, okay. So we'll definitely line that song up for you, and thank you so much for suggesting that, and thank you for chiming in on the show, Khera Saab, and sunte rahiyega. May his departed soul rest in peace as well. Thank you so much for calling in.
Okay.
All right, sir. Thank you.
And of course, Bhajan, you too can actually chime in over here. The number, the lines are open for you guys to call in. Number is 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. If you have any requests you want to play, remember his songs, his movies, do give us a call here. There's a tribute show for Irfan Khan Saab, who actually passed on. The news we got from yesterday, he passed on, and then in fact everybody is in mourning. The shelter in place going on, but still a sad situation for many people out here right now. So Faltoni, do you have the song which our Bandhu asked for?
Yes, we do have that song. It's you know, one of those songs. See, the songs that we are playing today, Banjan, are songs that you would only heard on Radio Dihautis. We are the only ones who played even Tu Jo Tha, Khwabza from Kareeb Kareeb single in our Jhalaks, and it came to position number 10 when the song had released. It had entered, but it didn't climb up on the charts because there were more, you know, dik chak kind of ganes that came out at that time. But here is a song, Tu Mere Rubru Hai, from the movie Maqbool, which came out in the year 2003. इरफान खान साहब ने तब्बू के साथ ये रोल ये मूवी में एक्ट किया है. सुनिएगा, एंजॉय कीजिएगा.
तू मेरे रूबरू है, तू मेरे रूबरू है, मेरी आंखों की इबादत है. ये ज़मीं है मोहब्बत की, या मना है खता करना है, सिर्फ सजदे में गिरना है और अदब से दुआ करना. इबादत है, बस इतनी इजाजत दे कदमों पे जबी रख दूं, ओ फिर सर न उठे मेरा ये जान भी वहीं रख दूं. एक बार तो दीदार दे मेरे सामने रह के भी तू, ओझल है तू पोशीदा है मेरे हाल से खाबीदा है, बस इतनी इजाजत दे कदमों पे जबी रख दूं, फिर सर ना उठे मेरा ये जान भी वहीं रख दूं. रूबरूबिया 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 रूबरूबिया. एक मासूम सी दिल की तजवीज़ है, इश्क में जान दे दे बड़ी चीज़ है. दीवाना बना अपना दीवानगी यूं भी है, दीवाना बना अपना दीवानगी है पैरों में पड़ी गर्दिश और सर में जुनून भी है। इस बार तो दीदार दे, इस बार तो दीदार दे, जा सौंप दे, जा बार दे, इस बार तो दीदार दे। तू नहीं ये जिंदगी कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, ये बंदगी कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, ये जिंदगी कुछ भी नहीं, ये बंदगी कुछ भी नहीं, ये बंदगी कुछ भी नहीं, ये बंदगी कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, ये बंदगी, ये बंदगी कुछ भी नहीं, ये बंदगी कुछ भी नहीं, ये बंदगी।
A very nice song. Thank you so much for the request, which has been asked, of course, by Khera Saab. It's in the voice of
Daler Mehndi Saab.
Daler Mehndi Saab. Very interesting.
Sabir
Different.
Khan, Rakesh Pandit, and Dominic Serejo has also sung in this particular song. So Vishal Bhardwaj ka obviously music hai. Agar hatke se hai to I think Irfan Khan Saab also had a really close relationship with Vishal Bhardwaj because he also acted. This is Maqbool is supposed to be a movie based on Macbeth, right? A Shakespearean play. There's another play of Shakespeare that was adapted by Vishal Bhardwaj, which was Hamlet, and that was Heather, right? Heather was Hamlet.
I would say the affinity would be with the theatre.
Yeah, it could be that.
Could be the fact that people from the same theatre, right?
Yeah.
So it was nice actually. Well, if you look at it, he actually has given us a good number of movies. Thriller movies bhi diye hain hamare. Matlab he's acted in some nice thriller movies. One of the movies which I have not, unfortunately, could not see the whole movie was Madari. Have you seen the movie?
I have seen the movie, and it's another amazing performance.
Vishal Bhardwaj again.
Yes, and that particular movie, oh God. I saw these series of Irfan Khan movies all of a sudden. I saw Madari, I saw Talwar, I saw, what is that, there's one movie,
Tomar, Pan Singh Tomar.
No, I haven't seen Pan Singh Tomar, unfortunately, I haven't seen. And one of our bandhus on Facebook is saying, Hasil, by far the best movie of all time. I hope you've seen Angrezi Medium because I think, honestly, based on what I have seen,
me too.
That is one of his amazing movies.
Okay, people don't know about it. This particular movie, Angrezi Medium, has all the elements in it. It is a total masala pick.
Right.
It has action.
Yeah.
It has tragedy. It has thrill. It has got that courtroom drama. Everything in it.
Yeah. Which one?
Watch it.
Which one?
Angrezi Medium.
Angrezi Medium, yes.
Courtroom drama is awesome, actually.
Yes, exactly.
And right now, Padre Happa, we just a little bit changed the mood right now. There's a movie called Madari, which came out, right?
Yeah.
And this movie actually is...
it's a sad... It's very heart-rending, the story,
It is a heart-rending movie, but actually it's about all the... And it's Jimmy Shagel and... was in the positive role, and he actually would be in a negative, but actually he's a positive role also, by the way.
Yeah.
He, out of desperation, he does what he does.
Yeah.
And it's a good movie. Excellent acting by Irfan Khan Saab again. Now, if you want to join in over here on the show today, it is possible by dialing in 408-912-2479, 408-912-2479, Bandajan. And Faltwani, let us listen to a nice, energetic song in the voice of Vishal Dadlani. Music by Vishal Bhardwaj, though.
Okay, सुनिएगा, enjoy कीजिएगा from the movie Madari, Bandajan.
दिल की बातें दिल ही जाने, उलझ गए हैं ताने बाने, चल अब ठेके या फिर ठाणे तू। अरे सड़कों पे नंगा नाचे, झूठ के दिल्ली के खाचे, सुन ले ओ महबूबा के चाचू। अनपढ़ बैठा शिक्षा बांटे, धर्म दिलों में बोए कांटे, रोटी मांगो मिलते चाटे रे। बैठ बैठ संतों की गोदी, राजा तूने इज्जत खो दी, तू ही अपना बड़ा विरोधी रे। हर जनता के तन वही झोल है, वही दाम है, वही मोल है, हरदम झूठा नाप तोल है रे। रानी बानी दानी रानी, इन सब ने है मिलकर ठानी, बेच के ये दुनिया खा जानी रे।
Shit, man. I'm talking like you.
लगता है मुझे स्टॉकहोम सिंड्रोम।
This again, this movie is interesting because the story is about him kidnapping a boy.
Yeah.
And the boy starts, understanding the reason why he's doing it.
Yeah.
And this very famous thing was Stockholm syndrome. Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
Where the victim actually starts seeing the logic behind what is being done and becomes suddenly
starts to like the kidnapper.
Yeah, it's like not like understands him totally and gives him with the whole thing. So that's what I was talking about actually. Well, Baljan, this is a good movie. I just wanted a little bit of shake up a little bit of the thing over here, but we come back to our messages from our bandhus. Please do give us a call here if you want to say something or share something on this tribute show for Irfan Khan Saab. We want to remember him in happy thoughts, sending out prayers to the family and also to the soul to rest in peace. We got the news from that he passed on yesterday, succumbed to his health condition. He had multiple health conditions. As you know, 2018, I think he was first time hospitalized for a tumor, right?
A neuroendocrine tumor. Apparently, it's a very rare form of cancer, and it's almost an incurable form of cancer. While we are discussing this, Banujan, just a couple of hours ago, as we were preparing for this show, news broke that Rishi Kapoor Saab has been rushed to the hospital. He, as you know, has also been battling cancer, and he was supposedly cancer-free when he returned to India, but Randhir Kapoor, Dabbu Kapoor, his older brother, has confirmed that he has been hospitalized. So praying for his quick recovery, but at the same time also saying that the most important thing that we need to do is celebrate. I mean, there are people who've been sharing the apparently really hate posts against Irfan Khan Saab and stuff like that, that he was bound to die this kind of a death and blah, blah, blah.
Well, some conservatives actually saying that he's a progressive Muslim and everything, because based on what some statements he made. But it's not fair to be talking about somebody when they're not around. So I think I would say, please refrain from those things. I would just say celebrate his life, because he actually gave a lot of positive encouragement. Like how one of our bandhus, Madhuji, called up and said, his story, or Pallaviji called up and said that his story itself is very inspirational,
right? And
that's what we got to count for, and that's exactly what we want to see, not what all other pain people are trying to instill in other people right now by talking about hate speech and everything.
Correct. So we also want to kind of sort of share a few things that you may not know about his life. For instance, एक चीज़ है कि जब वो पहले बॉम्बे में आए तो उनके पास इतना पैसा नहीं था. मतलब he literally was somebody who struggled and made his way through from movie to movie and to movie to movie. And he had, guess what kind of a job he had, Altu Baba?
Tell me.
One of the first jobs that he had was that of an air conditioner repairman.
Oh, nice. He was a mechanical engineer, I suppose. Electrical engineer, I'm sorry.
Electrical engineer? Well, in terms of what he studied, well, he went...
Well, it doesn't matter what he studied, right? He worked in electrical engineering.
Yeah. He completed his MA, by the way. He was an MA in Jaipur before he joined the National School of Drama to study acting. And NSD, wo मालूम है कब joined हुए? 1984 में.
Whoa.
Yeah, exactly. And he acted in a whole bunch of serials and stuff. And he acted in this movie, which is like, Basu Chatterjee. You remember Maimaji used to talk about him? There was a movie called Kamla Ki Maut. Apparently he appeared in that, and then he appeared in another one called Ek Doctor Ki Maut, and Such a Long Journey karke ek aur movie tha. So he played many different types of role, and even in Sanjay Khan's serial Jai Hanuman karke ek serial aaya tha, usme he played the role of Valmiki.
Oh wow, interesting.
Yeah, and if you actually...
He would suit the role actually.
Yeah.
Why? I'll tell you, characterization wise, look at it, Valmiki was actually a dacoit, right? And then he became a saint afterwards, so...
That's true.
It looks like... in fact, what I'm trying to say is, Valmiki, I would imagine him to have a lot of... I would say experience on his face, and Irfan Khan Saab had experience on his face.
Yeah, exactly.
Unke chehre pe you could make out like this guy's seen life,
Exactly, dude, exactly. कुछ लोगों के चेहरे पे ऐसे लगता है कि इतना substance और depth है, क्योंकि you feel that there is something behind that that person. So one thing that also Irfan Khan Saab, of course we're talking about Bollywood here, Banujan, but इन्होंने Hollywood में भी अपना नाम किया. मतलब he did these roles. In fact, my first time that I saw Irfan Khan in a Hollywood sort of movie. Now, I don't consider Slumdog Millionaire a Hollywood movie.
Okay.
Because I consider that a UK, UK production, right? And I think of it as an Indian movie. Hello.
Okay.
So in the total Hollywood flick was this movie called Jurassic World. He plays that role, right?
Helicopter.
Yeah, Simon Masrani or something.
He owns the thing. That's what I liked about the movie, actually.
Yeah.
An Indian owns the whole Jurassic Park. It's quite possible, yeah.
Jurassic World, but apparently his connection with this particular movie, he himself says, this particular franchise goes back a long way. Apparently, when he was really struggling, right, in the 1990s, when now he has already been in Bombay and he's been working as a air conditioner repairman, he wanted to go see this movie Jurassic Park. And he says he didn't have money to go watch the movie. And he always, and he said it seems it's like surreal that I'm actually acting and I am the owner of Jurassic World in the movie when I didn't have money to even go watch the movie at that particular point in time. So that's one of those things that many of us may not know about Irfan Khan Saab.
That's true.
So let's go on. And what Ghana did we decide that we'll play, Alto Baba?
I have a song from the movie Piku, which was again a good movie where he actually acts as the love interest for Deepika Padukone.
Incidentally, he's acted with the most beautiful women in Bollywood,
I
right?
know, Lara Datta. Just kidding.
Yeah, that's true. Tabu. Aishwarya Rai.
Yeah.
Deepika Padukone.
That's true.
I mean, quite a few of these are really gorgeous looking actresses.
Yeah.
So, anyway, let's go on and listen to this beautiful song, Manijan. This is, who's this? Anurag Bas? No.
Hey, by the way, he also acted opposite Kareena Kapoor as well.
Yeah? Oh, yeah. Kareena Kapoor too, in Angrezi medium. Yeah, that's right. And this particular movie, Banjan, no, I'm sorry, it's, what's his name? Shujit Sarkar.
Yeah.
And what an amazing movie, Banjan. If you haven't watched Piku, another beautiful performance. I think all of them have done a phenomenal job, but Irfan Khan Saab, this is picturized on him.
सारी बस्तियां हर दूरियां हर फासले करीब हैं इस उम्र की भी शख्सियत अजीब है झीनी झीनी इन सांसों से पहचानी सी आवाज़ों में गूंजा है आज आसमां कैसे हम
Banajan, there is a clip of a reading of his personal statement that he made not so long ago when he was battling cancer. It's in somebody else's voice, but it was something that was released by the Times of India. It is a writing by Irfan Khan Saab himself. So, suniega while we are listening to the song in the background as well. Here you go.
It's been quite some time now since I've been diagnosed with a high-grade neuroendocrine cancer. This new name in my vocabulary, I got to know, was rare. And due to fewer study cases and less information comparatively, the unpredictability of the treatment was more. I was part of a trial and error game. I had been in a different game. I was traveling on a speedy train ride, had dreams, plans, aspirations, goals, was fully engaged in them, and suddenly someone taps on my shoulder and I turn to see. It's the TC. Your destination is about to come. Please get down. I'm confused. No, my destination hasn't come. No, my destination hasn't come. No, this is it. This is how it is sometimes. The suddenness made me realize how you are just a cork floating in the ocean with unpredictable currents, and you are desperately trying to control it. In this chaos, shocked, afraid, and in panic, while on one of the terrifying hospital visits, I blabber to my son. The only thing I expect from me is not to face this crisis in this present state. I desperately need my feet. Fear and panic should not overrule me and make me miserable. That was my intention. And then pain hit. As if all this while you were just getting to know pain, and now you know his nature and his intensity. Nothing was working. No consolation, no motivation. The entire cosmos becomes one at that moment. Just pain. And pain felt more enormous than God. As I was entering the hospital, drained, exhausted, listless, I hardly realized my hospital was on the opposite side of Lord's, the stadium, the Mecca of my childhood dream. Amidst the pain, I saw a poster of a smiling Vivian Richards. Nothing happened, as if that world didn't ever belong to me. This hospital also had a coma ward right above me. Once, while standing on the balcony of my hospital room, the peculiarity jolted me. Between the game of life and the game of death, there is just a road. On one side a hospital, on the other a stadium. As if one isn't part of anything which might claim certainty, neither the hospital nor the stadium. That hit me hard. I was left with this immense effect of the enormous power and intelligence of the cosmos. The peculiarity of my hospital's location, it hit me. The only thing certain was the uncertainty. All I could do was to realize my strength and play my game better. This realization made me submit, surrender, and trust, irrespective of the outcome, irrespective of where this takes me, 8 months from now, or 4 months from now, or 2 years. The concerns took a back seat and started to fade and kind of went out of my mind space. For the first time, I felt what freedom truly means. It felt like an accomplishment, as if I was tasting life for the first time. The magical side of it, my confidence in the intelligence of the cosmos, became absolute. I feel as if it had entered every cell of mine. Time will tell if it stays, but that is how I feel as of now. Throughout my journey, people have been wishing me well, praying for me from all over the world. People I know, people I don't even know. They were praying from different places, different time zones, and I feel all their prayers become one. One big force, like a force of current, which got inside me through the end of my spine and has germinated through the crown of my head. It is germinating, sometimes a bud, a leaf, a twig, a shoot. I keep relishing and looking at it, each flower, each twig, each leaf, which has come from the cumulative prayers. Each fills me with wonder, happiness, and curiosity. A realization that the cork doesn't need to control the current, that you are being gently rocked in the cradle of nature.
And that was the words of the departed, the late Irfan Khan Saab. Truly a loss to film all over, Banujan. We're gonna leave you all with this particular song from the movie that won him his first Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor. This is, of course, from the movie Life in a Metro. This is a song called
Baatein Kuch Unkahi.
And may your soul rest in peace. And you know, wherever the big guy up there is probably making a wonderful movie where you're being cast again, and you will live on in the hearts of people who loved you. इसी के साथ हम बोलेंगे गुड नाइट, शबा खैर एंड प्यार भरा
कुछ कहीं सी कुछ सुनी सी होने लगी हस्ती हमारी खोने लगी वो, 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 शायद यही है प्यार, शायद यही है प्यार। कह दे मुझसे दिल में क्या है, ऐसा भी क्या करूं, तुझको भी तो हो रहा है थोड़ा असर जरूर। ये खामोशी जीने न दे, कोई तो बात हो। वो, वो, शायद यही है प्यार, वो शायद यही है तू ही मेरी रोशनी है, तू ही चिराग है, धीरे धीरे मिट जाएगा हल्का सा दाग है। ये जहर भी यूं पिया है जैसे शराब हो। शायद यही है प्यार, बातें कुछ अनकही सी कुछ अनसुनी सी होने लगी। वो काबू दिल पे रहा ना, हस्ती हमारी खोने लगी। वो, वो, शायद यही है प्यार, शायद